Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include Lizette Dolls by Robert Tonner from the ellowynewilde collection, Totally Cool Lizette from 2013, made in a limited edition of 1,000, is in the first installations. All Natural Lizette in Spice Complexion, released in 2014, is in the second installation for this week. The third installation is Honey Complexioned Cozy Coat and Dressy Dress Lizette from 2014, made in a limited edition of 1,000. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.